everyone, it's Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So today I am going to share with you my mini box for December 2018. I received it in the mail a little bit ago, so I thought I would do a video opening up what's inside the box. So we're going to go ahead and get straight into the box and I'll show you what I got. So the theme for this month's My Mini Box is Cheers to the Holidays. So I guess it's got some holiday themed items in here. So it says it's got a Muyu London Crystal 01, Crystal 05, one Pop Fizz Clink Cuticula brush, a base coat, which is a box exclusive, an NCLA I've been drinking, and 2 glitter pops. So it just says, Happy New Year, celebrate the new year with Beautometry's Newies products. And then I have a code there for me to get 20% off. So that is what's inside this box. If you've never seen any of these videos before, I've restarted getting these boxes, I think, last March or something like that. I can't remember. But I've been really enjoying them. I like getting them every month. They are through Beautometry, so it's a monthly subscription box, or you can buy it monthly, or you can do like 6 months or a year. The more months you do, the cheaper it actually is. But I really enjoy them. So you can try new products, and it's just a great way to just, get new stuff. So it also includes this little card. It says, we hope you enjoy this exclusive base coat and look forward to Cuticula on the site soon. And that is their card where you can find them and all that jazz. I actually own 4 Cuticula polishes, so that's pretty cool. So I'm just going to start what's in here. I think this is a scraping card. Looks kind of different from Beautometry. And then I'm thinking these are the glitter pots that we're talking about. I can open them. Oops. I don't never know if I want the glitter stuff because I find they're not always glitters I'll use, but we'll see. I like the bronze. That's kind of neat. I have like this type of glitter, but I do not have this color. And then I have a black. Same kind of like hexagon glitter, but this one doesn't show where they're from. They always include like a little item that you're not really sure. Oops, totally just dropped that. Where it's from, so who knows. Alright, let's see what else there is. So this looks like the polish. So this is the NCLA polish. Sorry guys. This one is I've Been Drinking, so it kind of looks like a reddy pink kind of color there. I don't think I've ever tried NCL polish before, actually. I know I've tried their nail wraps, but never their actual polish. Alright, so this is the Cuticula Scented Nail Care. I actually really enjoy their polishes. I have 2 base coats and 2 top coats, and they actually do smell really nice as well. Alright, let's see. So we've got a little card. Oh, a magnet actually. That's cute. And then this is the card here, and it says for all your scent cares, base coats, top coats, nail tape, and more. You can find them at that website, Facebook, and their Gmail. Definitely check them out. I've never bought from their website, but I bought off the polish pickup because it was working out better for me that way. Alright. Sorry. So this is the Cuticula Scented Nail Care, and this is their Pop Fizz Clink Blush Base Coat. Wow, so it's actually pink. That's neat. I don't have a pink one yet. Alright, let's see. And these are our stamping plates, of course. So this is the Crystal Collection from Muyu London. So I've got Crystal Collection 05. I've never actually heard of this one before. That's kind of neat. Some snowflakes and stuff like that. And then I have this one. This is a 01. So that is the 2 stamping plates that are included in the box. They look really neat. I'm actually really So that is everything in December's 2018 My Mani box. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I will probably be doing a mani with these nail designs soon, hopefully. Sorry, I can't get my camera to focus. Alright, but yeah, so I'll probably be doing a design very soon, so stay tuned for that. As always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Thanks, bye.